Okay, you're gonna clean up your mess?
Yeah.
Are you cleaning?
Yeah. I clean it. What else?
How about Mom cleans it for you this time?
I'll clean it.
Oh, you're gonna clean it? You have Cheerios stuck on your feet?
I will.
Your broom.
See the tails. Clean up.
We've got the other cleaner over here.
See, clean up the tails.
Yeah, we have the other cleaner over here, Toby. He's helping you clean, isn't he?
I'll clean up the baby.
Don't forget the sunblock.
Tails, my tail. Clean up.
Oh, are you going to put them all back in the bag? You're going to pick them all up and put them back in the bag? I think you have a lot of picking up to do then, don't you? Oh, you're going to pick up your Cheerios? Oh, they're back in your bag?
Yeah. I'll pick up.
You're picking them up?
Pick up. Wait, Mom, pick up.
Oh my gosh, kid, you're something else.
Bye.